I cannot talk. This is my very first video, so don't hate or, you know, like, don't make fun of me. We all been in quarantine. Quarantine is boring, so I just decided to make videos on gaming. And today I'm playing this game called SAS4, which is about zombies. So I need to do something real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and let's get in a multiplayer game. Just starting a quick match, and I'm gonna get all the perks. Yeah, it's gonna waste me a lot of money. No, wait, no, I didn't buy it. No, I'm so dumb. When it was getting in a match, and we're playing VIP, which is my least favorite. No, second least favorite map, because at the end of every round, there's always zombie bosses. Like, they're bosses at the end, and this one, the bosses are robots, and there's like more than 30 of them. And yeah, so if we'll go down and our teammate is by himself and he's low, he's probably gonna have to run and run until one of us gets back up. Because if you get down, you'll always come back up. Like, you're down, it's like someone reviving you, but you revive yourself. But I don't know how it works. Well, I might not be talking for a lot because I'm too focused in the game, so yeah. Ew, what the heck? Oh, zombies. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I just got a strong box, a titanium. Ooh, just another strong box. Also, strong box. Wait, let me put it. Strong box. Oh my, it's so loud. Strong box. If you do, but if all your teammates die and the round ends, you do not get to open them. And if you open them, it gives you loot or guns. I mean, loot or guns. I mean, guns or armor. I just bought 10 grenades. Oh my god, I walk so slow. Wrong way, dum-dums. Actually, no, I went that way, so I can't say them. I can't tell them they're dumb. Okay. Oh my god. Need that medikit. Oh crap. Boom, boom. You want a piece of this? I'll give you a piece of my gun. Oh, we're supposed to... Oh my god. Die. No. I think the VIP. No. Where's the VIP guy? He must be in this room in here. Somewhere right here. Oh, yeah, I heard that. That was scary. I know what we have to do. I just need to go over here in the kitchen. Break this open. VIP guy, move out, boy. Come on, get out. I was supposed to take this guy in the helicopter. Oh, you can see on the guy outside, there's already those robot zombies. He must need our help, but we need to take care of the VIP guy. Move, hurry up, guys. We got a zombie. Oh my god. Oh my god, just went down. Ugh. Oh my god, we gotta go. We gotta go, hurry, hurry, hurry. This way. This way, yes. Follow me. I need to search something real quick. I need to search wrong place. Not this place. I need to search the shed over here. Thank you. Got the money over here, dum-dums. Uh-oh, here they come. Oh, they're all coming. Oh my god, they're all coming. They're all coming. I should have never got in here. Oh my god. Grenade out. Boom, boom. Oh my, I need to reload my LMG. Oh no, no, I hate those things. They have guns. You know what? Take that. That didn't do nothing to them. Oh no, they did. Come on, guys, we gotta go. Hurry, hurry. Go, keep follow the guest dude in front of me. Hurry. We're gonna win this game. Come on, move that box out the way. Move that out the way. There, we need to wait for the helicopter to come in. Yes, helicopter's here. Yeah, good game, man. Good game. Oh, crap. Good game. So it looks like we won. And I didn't get any boxes, which is bad, I think. Wait, did I get boxes? I think I did. And it looks like we did. Let's see what I get. I think I already have that gun. Oh, yes, I do. So I guess I have to sell it. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna get. I got some gloves. They're useful. I mean, not useful. Useless, I think. Yeah, I got the same gloves here, so. Bye-bye, gloves. And in the last box, let's see what we get. I already have that gun. Why do I keep getting the same guns? Yes, 210. Yes. Well, I'm gonna sell this gun, and then, yeah, I got that gun. So it looks like we won, I think. Yes, we got away. No, we got away with the guest, and we took him. And yeah, so I think this is it for my first video. So peace. Have a great time. Oh crap! I didn't even pause. I'm so dumb. Ah!